I'm using Aran weight yarn and a 4.5mm hook. I've created a foundation chain of 20. To create our single crochet, which in the UK notation is known as a double crochet, we insert our needle into the second stitch from the hook. So that is 1, 2. We pull up a loop and then we wrap our yarn around the needle and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. And again, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, through 2. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, through 2. I'm going to get to the end of the row and let you catch up, and then I'll show you what you need to do to turn the work round. We're at the end of our row and we've created 19 stitches. We now need to turn the work. How we do that is we create a turning chain. To create a turning chain for single crochet, chain 1, turn the work around, and then we can go back along the row creating our single crochets. 1, 2, 3. This time, if you look, I'm inserting the hook beneath the little heart or V shape on top of the work. So I'm inserting the hook beneath 2 strands. That one and the one behind. This way you'll get a really neat finish. So again, I'll wait for you to catch up with me at the end. So that's all there is to single crochet. I'm going to create my turning chain, turn the work around, and then go back the other way, inserting my hook underneath the 2 loops of the previous row. When you look at your foundation chain, you'll see it's a series of almost interlocking hearts. But if you want to make the very first row of your crochet really neat, there's a little trick that's so easy to do. If you turn your chain over, like so, you'll see what are often described as these bumps along the back of the chain. The way to get a really neat start to your crochet is, instead of going into the top of the second chain from the hook, turn the work over and go into the second bump instead. This can be a bit fiddly, but once you've done the first one, it's quite easy. So here I'm just going into the bumps. The reason we do this is because if you turn the work over and look at the bottom of it, you can see that the bottom of the work now consists of those interlocking loops, those heart shapes, and it provides a nice edge to your work, a nice stable edge. Now I can continue doing a chain 1 turning chain. That doesn't count as a stitch. We create our turning chain and then we forget about it and we go into the top of our first stitch. Again, putting the needle beneath the 2 strands. That's how we do American single crochet, UK double crochet. It's the same stitch.